was born in Little Rock, had a childhood sweetheart. We were always hand in hand. I wore high top shoes and shirt tails, Susie was in pigtails. I know I loved her even then. You know my papa disapproved it, my mama booed it, but I told them time and time again, don't you know that I was made to love her, build my world all around her. Hey, 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 hey. She's been my inspiration, shown appreciation for the love I gave her through the years. Like a sweet magnolia tree, my love blossomed tenderly. My life grew sweeter through the years. I know that my baby loves me, my baby needs me. That's why we met.